Sawadee-kap, it's PJoe in Pattaya. How you all doing? It's a hot sunny day, 32 degrees. See there on the right, the Coke Hotel. This is the dirt alley from Soi 15. Today, Saturday, the 15th of June 2024. We call this the dirt track. I think it's a private road. Looks like they're going to be building stuff. I'm using a different camera view today so I don't move my head around too much. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but I'm sure you'll all let me know. You look on the right there, that's all getting redone. They were all bars in there, but we'll see what it's going to be. In the meantime, is it going to be a big nightclub? Not sure. There's no signs up. And this ends up at Soi Buakhao. Let's go for a bit of a spin. PJoe's going for a haircut. Down at the barber shop. So they haven't forecast rain here. It is wet season. Hopefully my camera's okay. We'll see. Well, at least I won't be moving my head around. So Soi Buakhao. Traffic's not too bad on Saturday. Hope everyone's doing well. Been shopping this morning at Big C. 2,000 baht worth of supplies. Prices are going up. Not cheap. Alright, let's go. PJoe, coming through. The bar buses always go pretty slow. They're looking for customers. Now the Pattaya Hotel. And there's Dynamite Bar. It's only 3 PM, so it's a bit early for the bars to open. But I thought I'd give you guys a quick look. On the right there is the Pattaya City Hospital, in case you got an emergency. What else has been happening? Oh, we got the dollar rate coming up, but it's the weekend rate, so it's not really going to matter. But if you want a quick look, PJoe can show you there. The dollar. What's it? Dollar 23.90. Great British pound 46.15. It's gone down a bit. The weekend rate. I think they drop it on the weekend. Now you'll see here, you've got the new one-way street. Is the traffic any better? Soi Diana is now one way, where that bar bus is turning. Soi Lenki on the right. Hang on, PJoe's coming through. Down there, Soi Diana. I can't really point my head in any direction because I've got the chest cam on. The point of view cam. You probably see my mirrors. The bar bus holding everyone up. Soi pothole on the right just there. Righto, PJoe coming through. No, we're not. Got a traffic jam. PJoe! Now see here, Soi Honey, no left turn. That's a one-way street. Lots of new shops and bars around. VIP massage, the book bar, the scooters bar. Tree Town area. It's pretty quiet now, low season. I've been out for a couple of nights, been saving my money. There's a couple of parties on tonight. Jibby's Bar's got a party, Cafe Racer's got a party. We'll see where I end up tonight. 32 degrees today. They're expecting very hot weather. Maybe it'll get to 34 in the next few days. Very little rain so far. The chilling, I love that on the right there. Good little snack food there. down here at the Soi Buakhao market. Give you a quick look. There's nothing much happening there though. Get all your food. See the nice buildings though. The Hilton, Pattaya 6 and the Somerset. Good little shops. They don't actually open. They are building up the end here. Let's have a quick look while you're here because you'll never come up here again. See, that's all new. That was looking a bit crappy before. Now they've redone all that. What's going to be there? Maybe they'll put bars in. There's even a little postal service there. If you don't want to go to the post office Soi 13, you can lodge it all there. And the gym upstairs for all you fitness people. There's all your food, snacks, 30 and 40 baht meals, your somtam pupala and your fruit and veggies. And across the road there, that's the big fruit market as well. Just lately they haven't had many bananas around. I don't know if the banana factory's on strike. I thought they grew all year bananas, but the last week even 7-Eleven's had trouble getting them. Look at that red Ferrari. Is that a Ferrari? Or is it a copy? No, it's a Toyota MR2. Looks like a Ferrari. There's all the haircuts here. I'll be going there in a sec. An old barber shop. Just give you a quick look along here. Friendship bar, always good in there. Soi New Plaza coming up on the left. Good cheap drinks and bars down there. So I'm just doing this quick video today just to see how this camera angle works out. I'm not sure if it'll be good. You probably can see the mirrors. Check it out when I get home. All little new shops along here too. All barber shops, all weed shops. There's always the old style massage shops down this end. Barber shops everywhere. We end up here at Pattaya Klang. Pattaya Klang's always a busy road. Anyway guys, that's it from PJoe. Take care, stay safe. Hooroo and over and out.